Fonterra and the Department of Conservation have been working in partnership through Living Water for the last 9 years to design and trial freshwater solutions that enable dairy farming and freshwater to thrive side by side. We all know dairy farming is central to New Zealand's economy, but we do know that it impacts lowland freshwater ecosystems. That's why it's been great working with DOC on practical, tangible solutions.
Peat lakes are rare and fragile ecosystems. These lakes have been formed over thousands of years and are home to species that have adapted to the unique conditions. These lakes are important historically, culturally and environmentally. The Mangaotamo catchment is an important migration route for native fish species, such as the short and long-finned eel. These eels migrate from Lake Naroto to the ocean to complete their life cycle. Several rare species have been recorded at site, including the pueto, the spotless crake and the pekapeka the long-tail bat, which is one of only 2 remaining native land mammals in Aotearoa.
Our Mangaotamo project has brought together a range of people including local farmers, iwi, council, New Zealand Landcare Trust on a catchment-wide approach to improving freshwater quality as well as restoring habitat for native biodiversity. Our aim here is to restore the ecological connection from the Haupō peat lakes through to the Waipawa River. Our 38 farmers in this catchment are already making improvements through their Fonterra farm environment plans, and now they can see how their efforts are contributing to this bigger restoration vision. A key part of knowing whether our farmer and community's actions are making a difference is to have accurate monitoring in place. That's why we've supported a trial with real-time water quality monitoring as part of this broader project.
Sustainability is one of Spark's key strategic pillars. It sits alongside the work that we do with the Spark Foundation and Te Korowai Tupu, our Māori strategy. We strive to create partnerships that are based around shared values and underpinned by the principles of kaitiakitanga and manaakitanga.
We took over this land 2 years ago, which borders our main farm that's been in the family since 1977. As a farmer, I'm passionate about the water quality that comes into the land and also leaves the farm. Adroit installed 2 water quality monitoring stations on the 2 streams we have here on the farm.
Adroit's vision is to help protect the environment and achieve long-term sustainability through the use of IoT technology. The role we play is to provide real-time water quality monitoring, which means accurate water quality data every hour of every day. Adroit's long-term goal is to achieve a nationwide network of monitoring stations to provide all New Zealanders with visibility of the health and well-being of our precious water resources.
Our water monitoring solutions utilise industrial-grade, highly accurate, field-proven sensors from global suppliers with over 40 years industry experience. The monitoring stations we design and build are validated and customised to be site-specific and include installation and ongoing nationwide support and maintenance. We measure water quality parameters in real time, such as nitrates, sediment, including suspended solids and turbidity, temperature, conductivity, dissolved oxygen and pH. The data from the sensors is transferred via the Spark Catch One network through to the Adroit platform. The platform has full visualisation, customisable alerts and thresholds and a full set of APIs.
This installation process was just seamless, and it allows me to have real-time data at any time of what the quality of the streams is doing. This allows me to create a baseline and over time build up a picture of the impact that farming is having on the water quality in the local area.
This new automated approach to monitoring could be a real game changer for our farmers and their communities. Up until now, they've only had access to long-term, high-level regional data, and this trial really connects them to what's happening in their environment on a daily basis.